The day felt bright. My toys were laughing. Everything felt right. My friends went home. They waved goodbye. I stayed behind and watched them fly. The room grew quiet. The sun went low. I called out softly, but no one said hello. Mama was busy, Baba was gone. The house felt bigger as time went on. My heart felt small, but then I knew a gentle truth was waiting too. Allah is with me, always near, closer than my breath. I feel Him here. When I feel lost, when I feel small, Allah is with me through it all. When I am happy, when I am sad, when I feel lonely or feel glad, I talk to Allah in words so small. Even in silence, He hears it all. Allah is with me, always near, closer than my breath. I feel Him here. When I feel lost, when I feel small, Allah is with me through it all. I close my eyes, I feel so light. Allah is with me day and night. Allah is with me, always near, holding my heart, calming my fear. I am not alone, no, not at all. Allah is with me through it all. I smile again, my heart feels free, because I know Allah is with me.